Let me show you all of the Game Booster settings on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open settings, and then we can find Game Booster in advanced features right here. After that, first option is gaming motion smoothness, and this is basically a display refresh rate, but here you just change it for the games. So if you're playing games, you can either go for 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Then there's pause USB PD charging when gaming. This is the bypass charging, so-called. What it does, it stops your phone from gaining power, battery charge when you plug in the charger. Instead, it will maintain the current battery charge, but the reasoning behind this is that your phone won't overheat when this option is enabled and you charge your phone during gaming. Then there's in-game panel. You can change where to access the in-game panel. You can go for a shortcut bar or you can go for navigation bar. And then there's the touch protection. You can save power during the touch protection, reduce the frame rate for games while touch protection is active, and you can disable or enable it. Lastly, there's or not lastly, because there's also notifications, there's screenshots. You can change the resolution for your screenshots between 100% to 25%. What it does, if you lower it, it will make your screenshots take less space on your device. So it's a great option if you take a lot of screenshots and you don't care about quality that much. Then there's notifications. You can manage Game Booster notifications with all of those options right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.